There are plenty of official cases for Note 20 Ultra, but this one stands out. If you are interested to buy this case, link is available in the description below. The heavy-duty protective standing case does exactly what it says on the tin, offering military-grade drop protection and a built-in kickstand for ultimate flexibility. Crucially, this case will add very little bulk to the phone, although it does provide plenty of grip on what is usually a slippery device. It comes in a standard black variant, but we particularly like the standout silver option. This case is military standard certified, meaning it has been extensively drop tested to ensure your Note 20 is well protected. Unlike other tough cases on the market, this official Samsung case keeps your Note 20 relatively slim and lightweight. Additionally, the case features an integrated kickstand on the rear, ideal for watching content on the go. Built with two kickstands, the Samsung Protective Standing Cover heavy-duty case makes using it easy to do. The dual kickstand design gives you total hands-free use of your phone both horizontally and vertically. You can easily watch a show while your smartphone is in landscape mode. Or you can have a video chat with your family in portrait mode. This kickstand case fits the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, so no matter which phone you have, you can give it a Terminator-esque look. This tough phone shell comes in black and silver, both of which are strong enough to protect your important device from your day-to-day life. With a case like this, everyone around you will know you mean business. If you don't trust puny soft materials like leather and silicone, then this is your last resort. This case is tough but still has some character and even comes with built-in kickstands to prop up your phone and enjoy any content hands-free. It's also the only rugged Galaxy Note 20 Ultra case coming straight from Samsung, so if you insist on the brand, that's the one to get.